going to give a look upon prokaryotic cell, and here I am going to consider an example of bacteria. So let's start with it. Let's start with introduction. Here we are concerned with living cells. So these living cells are divided into two types of cells. First one is prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell is further divided into archaea and bacteria, and eukaryotic cell is divided into fungal cell, plant cell, animal cell and other eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell, and the example we are considering here is bacteria. So the first point is prokaryotic cell type is called as prokaryotes. Now what do you mean by prokaryotes? Pro means primitive, karyot means nucleus. So the cells which contain primitive type of nucleus is called as prokaryotes. Next one is prokaryotic cell lacks membrane bound organelles. Now each and every living cell contains different types of organelles, and here in case of prokaryotic cell, these organelles are dispersed in the cytoplasm. They are not bound to any kind of membrane. Further, size range is less than 3 micrometer. The genetic material of prokaryotic cell is located in nuclear region or nucleolide. Here in prokaryotic cell, no proper nucleus is present. So whatever genetic material is present, it is located in nuclear region or nucleolide. Nucleoid contains a single chromosome and a piece of circular double-stranded DNA. Further, prokaryotic cells are divided into two types of cells, that is gram-positive and gram-negative cells. Now this prokaryotic cell is divided into gram-positive and gram-negative on the basis of structure and composition of the cell wall. Further, here nuclear membrane, nucleolus, histone proteins are absent. Now these things are present in eukaryotic cell. Genes are present in cluster and plasma membrane lacks sterols. Further, ribosome is of 70S structure and dispersed in cytoplasm. So here this ribosome is dispersed in the cytoplasm. Chloroplast, Golgi body, mitochondria, pinacocytes, endoplasmic reticulum is absent in prokaryotic cell. Mesosomes and gas vacuoles may be present in some prokaryotes. The cell wall of prokaryotic cell is mainly composed of peptidoglycan, polysaccharides and glycoprotein molecules. Further, it may show the presence of endospore in some prokaryotes. The respiratory system is located in the plasma membrane. The lysosomes are absent in prokaryotes. It shows a variety of anaerobic energy yielding mechanism. As we know, in bacteria there are some aerobic as well as anaerobic microorganisms. So they show a energy yielding mechanism in anaerobic prokaryotes. A prokaryotic cell has the ability to fix atmospheric nitrogen. It shows the presence of magnetosomes. The G+C content is around 28 to 70%. Protein synthesis is carried out in cytoplasm. So here all the functions are carried out in cytoplasm, as all the organelles are present in cytoplasm. It may contain flagella, pili and capsule on its surface. So the locomotory organs may be present in case of prokaryotic cell, and the locomotory organs are flagella and pili. A chromosome is circular in shape. Mitosis and meiosis mechanism is absent in prokaryotic cell. These mechanisms are shown in eukaryotic cell. Reproduction of prokaryotic cell is carried out by binary fission mechanism. Magnetogenesis is absent in these cells. Now, examples of prokaryotic cells are bacteria, cyanobacteria, eubacteria and archaebacteria.